stuff?
Santa must have known Matthew was in town.
Fart maker.
Do you really need that?
Yes. The elf that grows.
Cool.
That's it. It looks kind of like Elfin, my elf.
That's funny. That sounds like a screaming flying monkey.
Pokemon washcloth.
Oh, cool.
You know the ones that you get the on the store? Panda
A
bear!
panda bear. Isn't he cute?
Ice Smiley.
It's slime stuff.
But look, ice.
That's funny, huh?
That's it.
That's it. That was a neat stocking full
Wow.
of goodies.
Lots of good stuff. And a couple BTR posters.